go check out this fort. Now, I have been there before, and apparently it's closed tomorrow, so I gotta go right now. But it was very interesting. I'd like to take another look around. First day here though. It's like a 5.5 hour bus journey. Blech. Let's go down to the water. And of course the big sign, always the big sign. The damn cannon. Hola, ¿pero uno?
Son 10 personas.
Just one. Gracias. Okay, gracias. Oh, I'm in. So 110 pesos to get in. Oh. So from what I remember, this fortress was built here to keep pirates away, because this was a heavily pirated area. All sorts of shenanigans been happening around here. And finally someone said no, no, no more. Basically, on all corners, you come in near this fortress, you're gonna get blasted. They were messing about. The Enfield Muscatoon, manufactured in Great Britain. That's that one there. This TV is also a relic. This wall is one big, huge mural. I guess it's supposed to represent the battle between the indigenous and the conquistadors. So it says here most of the raids and smugglers in this region did not come here for silver or jewels or anything like that. It actually came here for Campeche wood. It is used to make various colors and shades ranging from dark blue to black. Just heading out bright and early for my paddleboard tour. 5 in the morning. Streets of Bacalar, very quiet. Imagine waking up to that every morning, eh? Yeah. This is the cenote. Very deep.
Vamos a cambiar de lugar. Let's change the spot, guys, to the other side of the road. Vamos a cambiar.
Yeah, I know. Wind. We're not going anywhere. Yeah. Windy, windy. A little workout? Yeah, it's never a bad thing. Oh, did you? Oh yeah, I had a couple close calls back there. Oh, someone's in. Oh, everyone's toppling over. Yeah, it's windy. Man overboard.
Super. Get the left side.
Perfect. Just finished the paddleboat tour. It was great fun. My first time on a paddleboard, I mean. First time on a paddleboard. It's a good workout, pretty fun. It got choppy near the end. We had coffee, fruit and some Nutella while we watched the sunrise. And we went to the cenote, the black cenote, very deep, very dark. And yeah, it got really windy near the end. Shit. It got really windy near the end. A couple people bailed. I didn't bail. I'm proud of that, saying that it wouldn't be the worst thing if I bailed because it was beautiful, warm, blue water. Basically a natural pool. But I'm hungry. Desayunos. I'm going to get some desayunos and another cup of coffee. One cup of coffee doesn't suffice these days. No way. I'm going. We're out in there in style too.
Distraction en mi vida.
Absolutely delicious meal that was. That place was cool, and Anamora, I think it's called Anamora. Oh, it was so good. Shrimp omelet with their homemade bread, potato wedges, that sauce that was on the omelet was just so good. It was like red onion sauce. And then some guy going around selling cinnamon rolls. Well, you know that's a yes from me. Oh, that was good. It's a shame. Maybe I'll go back for dinner, who knows? But for desayunos, es mucho delicioso. Oh, probably the best meal I've had here in Mexico. And the band playing was great. They were playing like reggae covers of famous kind of rock songs from 80s, 90s. Like they were playing Nothing Else Matters by Metallica at one point. When I left, they were playing Pearl Jam, but like reggae versions of it. Man, it was working. I was digging it. It was so cool. My GoPro. I don't know if it's working. I don't know what's going on. It's not 100% fixed. It shuts off sometimes. So, but every time I check it, it gets a little better. And now this is staying on for quite a while. Now, I'm scared to touch it. I'm scared to press record on it. I'm scared to do anything with it. I'm scared to shut it off. I'm scared to put it down. I'm a scared man. Going to Oxo to get some beer before the tour. I got my 3 beers. That's all I need. Just to cool me down. Along with swimming in the water. Ay, ay, ay. Oh, there's the water. I'm on the right track. And even a boat. Is that my boat? No, probably not. But oh, hit the brakes. Right. There's the fortress. I've got my bearings down. I know where I am now. Where's my boat? I'm talking about a real big boat. I'm talking about a shrimping boat. Okay, it should be coming up. So a bit of confusion here. I've now been postponed till 14:30 from 1300. Reservation, I don't think was set the right way or was reserved the right way. They kept asking me, numero, reservation. And I was like, no, whatever is it? No, numero, no numero. The beer that I bought for the boat is being consumed now. Before it gets warm. Yeah. Anyway, so I'm just waiting now. Lots and lots of confusion. My GoPro has also ceased to work again. Hopes restored and hopes dashed. All right, we're on our way.
Vamos, chicos.
It's wet on this side here. It's wet. Oh. Holy cow. Like a goddamn pool. Wish I had another beer though, to be honest.
Podemos darles un poco de comer. This guy is in heaven.
This way. This way. Go this way. So I'm pretty sure this is supposed to have good things for your skin. I don't know. The guy just spoke in Spanish and everyone's rubbing it on their face, so I'm doing it too. I'm almost positive this has maybe rejuvenation attributes or something. I don't know. But it smells funky. It's like, I don't know what that smell is. I don't even want to say what that smell is. But maybe it'll make me feel young again. I feel younger already.